Former state women leader of the All Progressive Congress APC, Dr. Aisosa Amadasun, don chook mouth on the things wey dey happen for Edo State government under the leadership of the governor Gov Obaseki and the impeachment notice wey the Edo State House of Assembly sign against the deputy governor, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu. Dr. Aisosa Amadasun yarned this one for one to-talk session with three people on Tuesday, 13th March 2024. To Edo State government, PDP party leaders, and to the members of the Edo State House of Assembly, she can talk say,
for me, what has been happening in Edo State, especially in the last few months, is what I will call kakistocracy, not democracy. Under the leadership of the governor of Edo State. I'm aware that the deputy governor indicated interest some time ago to contest for the position of the governor or the governorship of Edo State. And ever since then, that was when his travail started, his problem started with the current governor. Is it because he said he wants to be the governor of the state and then all hell broke loose? For me, this is unacceptable. And I want to appeal to the governor and to the members of the State House of Assembly to retrace their steps because they have put Edo State in a very bad light in the country. Why is it that it's Edo State? First and foremost, they had problems with, when we were in APC, we had problems with the State House of Assembly when we had only 10 or 14 members of the House of Assembly for a period of 4 years. 10 members, I remember it was 10 members in the State House of Assembly for a period of 4 years in a democracy, and you call that a democracy. Now, what has the deputy governor done for them to initiate impeachment on him? The House of Assembly members should realize that they were elected to represent the people, to speak the truth about things, not to be an appendage of the governor. They need to retrace their steps. For me, the deputy governor has done nothing to warrant impeachment, and this whole exercise is an embarrassment to Edo State, to the people of Edo State. I want to appeal to the governor and all the members of the State House of Assembly and all the leaders of our dear party to call these people to order, to stop this process. Because for me, I think they are trying to drag PDP finally to the grave in Edo State. I want to appeal to the governor of the state and to all the members of the State House of Assembly. Remember the reason you were elected as members of the State House of Assembly. You are not supposed to be an appendage to any other arm of government. I want to appeal to the governor and all the leaders of the party and the members of the State House of Assembly to please let peace reign in this party. They should call the governor, the deputy governor, all of them, because we want peace to reign in Edo State. We are members of PDP and we want PDP to win in the next election. But the way things are, if something is not done urgently to curb what is going on right now, it's going to be very, very difficult for PDP to succeed in the next election.
To the PDP National Working Committee, Dr. Aisosa Amadasun can talk say,
the silence of the National Working Committee shows that somehow they have compromised their integrity one way or the other. Because if you have not compromised your integrity, maybe they've collected money from somebody somewhere. If not, they would have said something. We all belong to the same party. Why can't they call these people to order and say, this is becoming embarrassing? If you look at the primaries that was done a few weeks ago, the National Working Committee brought a list of delegates. Then they also gave a different list of delegates to the governor. This is exactly what they did in the presidency, and that is why we are where we are right now. For me, I place a vote of no confidence at all whatsoever on the National Working Committee. They have been part of this problem. So for me, I don't know if I should say their silence is golden. Their silence goes to show that they are part and parcel, if not the main cause of the problems of Edo State. If Atiku Abubakar actually showed leadership during his own election, he would have brought the party together by appealing to the 5 governors at that time. If he couldn't do it in his own election, you think he's going to be able to do it in Edo's election? I don't think so. You know, at that time they were calling him the unifier. He was not able to unify the party in his own election. Is it in Edo State's election he's going to be able to unify the party? For me, he's the biggest problem of PDP in Nigeria. So the National Working Committee, they are part of the problem. Right now, PDP has no leadership, 0 leadership, either in the national and even in Edo State right now. The PDP, when I say PDP under the current government, the PDP of the current government, there is no proper leadership there.
Una go remember say on Wednesday 6 March 2024, 21 out of the 24 Edo House members signed impeachment notice against the Deputy Governor of Edo State, and the House can't give the Deputy Governor 7 days to respond to the impeachment notice. Una go also remember say on Monday 11th March 2024, the Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Blessing Agbebako Konya, and say them not see the Deputy Governor to serve the impeachment notice to. It come mandate the Clerk of the House, Yahaya Omogbai, to go put the notice for the national and local delis. Make una not forget say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am, we know they take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.